Oh yeah. Come cook with me. Come cook with me.
I'm Michelle, and I coach caregivers to be confident in their abilities to care for themselves first. Are you ready to put yourself first for a change? Subscribe to the channel. Grapes are a great alternative to get a bit more hydration into your day. This sour grapes recipe is a healthier snack that helps you stay hydrated and is fun to make. It only takes a few ingredients. You need grapes, water, gelatin in your favorite flavors, a bowl, Ziploc bags, and toothpicks. Now, my favorite flavors are cherry, strawberry, and blue raspberry. So first you want to dip the grapes in water and then coat them with the gelatin. A no-mess way to handle the gelatin is to use a Ziploc bag. I like to put 3 or 4 grapes in the bag at a time. Shake the grapes to coat them with the gelatin. And then I like to use the skewer to pick the grapes up and another one to slide the grape off the skewer. So you repeat the process for each flavor of gelatin. Now here's what I'm calling the spoon method. So if you don't have the Ziploc bags, but you want to use a spoon, just roll them around until they get thoroughly coated. It takes a little bit, but you can do it. Not my favorite method, but whatever works, right? Let's give them a try. Ooh. They're juicy and deliciously sour. Yes. Let me know in the comments if you try making this. Until the next time, thanks for watching.